Hello, I'm Katharine Jeffcoat with Portland Pediatric and Family Nutrition, and this is my daughter Reese, and she is here with me today to help and show you and your kids how to make guacamole. Something about homemade guacamole that makes avocados so much more appealing for kids. And I know at least that's the way it is with my kids. And avocados are such a wonderful, lasting energy snack. So it's a great way to get kids to eat avocados. So our ingredients today, I'm going to show you, we prepped these a little ahead of time. Reese was wonderful with helping me clean the cilantro and pick off the leaves. And we have the avocados, 2 avocados. We have the cilantro, 2 tablespoons. We have the onion, 1/4 cup. We have cumin here, which is a 1/4 teaspoon. We have 2 teaspoons of lime, and then we have 1 teaspoon of salt. So, Reese, let's get started. I'm going to put the avocado in the bowl, and she's going to start mashing it. And
whatever this is.
I got out the potato masher. You can use potato masher or a fork.
I want to use this.
You can try that. Okay. Fork works good with this too. And why don't you try the fork, hun?
Because this one's really smashed.
Yeah. Let's see how that works. We'll use and just kind of smash it down.
Watch this. See, watch this.
Yeah.
Watch this. Okay,
Yeah.
This. You want to do
And we'll put all of those in there.
Sorry, maybe your avocados are going away.
I know we started off with a kind of bad one, so you want to have a really nice, fresh avocado. Yes, nothing worse than a really bad brown spot. So next, so we've got those mashed. Do you want to try that with the potato masher just to get them mushed up again? Because then we add the cilantro. Do you want to add?
No.
You ready for it?
Why is it kind of yellow?
Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, there is our cilantro, 2 tablespoons. Yeah, why don't you get your fork and start mixing that up? And we have the onion. Onion, yes, very important before we started. We washed our hands, kids. Yes, very important before you start.
I forget to say hand sanitizer on that too.
Well, we can do that too. The cumin, and that's kind of for taste. We're gonna mix that in. Yeah, we're good. We left out the jalapeno. I leave that out for my kids because they're not.
The what?
The jalapeno.
What is that?
That's a spice. Okay, we got a little salt. Stir it all up.
Does it make it spicy?
No, it's gonna make it good, flavorful. And then we have, last but not least, the
Mommy,
lime.
some people put tomato in it.
Yes, we do. You know, some people do put tomato in it, and that is what I did left out. That was an option to do a fine chopped up tomato, and we actually didn't do the tomato. So
tomato pieces.
So let's show our kids at home. Oh, yum! That looks good. Okay, should we give it a little taste test and see how it is? Let's see how we did.
Can May come over here?
Yeah.
May, come here.
Well, if she wants to.
May.
Okay, take a bite. What do you think?
Mmm.
Oh, what do you think, Reese? Tell her camera.
Yeah.
Thumbs up? All right, enjoy your recipe. Let me know how it turns out. Thanks.